Yes, Tanya, today is Sunday and your exam is around the corner, okay? So you should focus on first your study. Yeah, because you are in 10th standard, so yeah, you are wasting your time in mostly playing games and you're hanging out for your friends and like that. How are you?
I'm doing good. What about your morning?
Yeah, my morning as usual hectic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are meeting for the first time. So I would like to know more about you. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. Yeah, my name is Janki Patel. As I hail from Gujarat. As of now, I am living in Ahmedabad. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have completed my graduation in 2008. And yeah, I used to work in private school before 4 years old. Yeah, right now I am fully homemaker. I have two kids and I live in joint family. That's about me.
Hmm. So do you want to play a role play? If you want,
That's
then we can do.
yeah, sure, sure.
Suppose you have a child and your son is in 10th standard and now he is going to for board exam. But he is focusing more and more time on, online video games, some
Oh,
online games with their friends. So how will you convince him that that you should give more and more, that then you should make a balance in your studies and your games.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So you want to become a mother or a son?
Yeah, whatever you want.
So no, it's all up to you. You can choose any character.
Yeah, yeah, I am become mother and
Okay. Okay. Suppose I don't know where is the tablet of my daughter. Suppose I am playing a game, online game, and I'm giving more and more time. Then how will you give your statement? How will you convince me for studying? So now we can start.
yes, yes, yeah, sure.
Okay. So please start.
Yeah. And yeah, what is your name? Like, I can say Tanya.
Okay, Tanya. I'm not your son. I'm just your daughter. Okay.
But yes, yes.
More easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Yes, Tanya, today is Sunday and your exam is around the corner, okay? So you should focus on first your study. Yeah, because you are in 10th standard, so yeah, you are wasting your time in mostly playing games and yeah, hanging out for your friends and like that. You are doing always like same things. So you should focus
Hmm.
on first study, and after
Hmm.
that, yeah, when your exam will finished, after that you can do whatever you want. But right now you should focus on first study.
But I have already studied math, science, and I have cleared all my concepts. Then what is the
Yeah,
problem
but
when I'm playing these games?
yesterday your sir, yeah, your tuition sirs call your tuition sir, yeah, yeah, told me, yeah, you were not good at maths and grammar. So you should try to focus on first maths and grammar, because these are practical subject. Okay, so you should first focus on that subject.
Does he send you the test copies where you have seen
No,
my
no.
marks?
Last month and last week, yeah, your sir took one exam. Okay, so that time, yeah, he got to know about your result, and after that, yeah, he was yesterday, he was discussing with me about your result.
But Mama, when I'm playing the games, because that time my all friends are online, and if I'm not joining my all friends, sometimes they feel not good. Why are you not joining these games? Then what should I do?
Okay, but right now, like you should not imitate your friends. Okay, first, if they are like intelligent and if they may be sluggish. Sorry, whip smart. Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, maybe, maybe they may be a whip smart. Okay, so they right now they are doing playing games and do other activity. But your result, yeah, uh, your result is decreased. Yeah,
Hmm.
as your sir told me. So yeah, that is why I am telling you. Yeah, your your exam will be after 2 months. Okay, so yeah, after 2 months you can do whatever you want, but initial time you should focus on first study.
So, Mama, please suggest me how can I make a balance in between my studies and my games, my friends.
Okay, so first of all, you should make a, schedule,
Hmm.
like how much time I will have to give for my study. And yeah, in a whole day you can spend your time within a 1 hour, like playing games and like that. Yeah.
Mama, do
So
you think 10th grade marks also build my foundation for my career? Do you also think, Mama?
sorry, I didn't catch your word.
I'm saying, Mama, if I'm not getting good scores in my 10th board exam,
Yeah.
then it can affect my career, my future goals.
Yeah, definitely, because yeah, I want to, I wanted to, you become become in good position. Yeah, so that is why, yeah, I am telling you, you should first focus on study, because when you will not get good marks, good score on 10th exam, so it will be tough for us to get admission in science stream for
Hmm.
12th, 11 and 12th. Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. You have given me very good tips and you really guided me for my future.
Yeah. Yeah, it's my responsibility to give you right direction. Yeah.
Yeah, Mama. Now I will more and more study and I will make a balance.
Yeah, sure. And I will also help you.
Okay, Mama. I know you always with me and you
Yeah.
always support me.
Yes.
So, what do you think about role play? Role play are really very useful for conversation.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I did many time role plays with co-learners, because yeah, whenever you do role play, so that time you don't need to think before speak. Automatically, words comes in our mind, or sentence comes in our mind. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, are you ready for another activity? It's a very simple
Sure.
activity. If you want, then we can do.
Yeah.
Okay. I will show you one thing like. Can you identify this? What is this?
Yeah, neem leaves.
Yeah, it's neem leaf. So tell me, whatever comes in your mind, you can tell me. What is the benefit?
Okay, yeah. Yeah, neem leaves is very beneficial for us. Like when we intake these leaves, so we can reduce our fever. Like
Hmm.
whenever we get fever, so we can reduce, and we can intake as a medicine
Yes. Yes.
first. Yeah, and we can apply on our hair
Yes.
also for as a medicine.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And yeah,
Okay. 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 Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
we can also make hair oil to use these leaves.
Yes. And I have seen that if a child is facing some problem like hair problem, some
Yes, yes.
I don't know what is the particular what we call जू बालों में जू पड़ती है जो
Yeah,
slices
leaves.
slices slices slices.
Okay, license.
Yes. When someone is facing problem of lysis, that time we can use this neem leaves.
Yeah, yeah.
And it has the antibacterial properties also.
So yes, yes.
And right now the weather is not good. So we can use these leaves in boiling water, and after that when we take shower, that time like
Yeah.
this in this weather we are facing some itching problem also.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes.
And ma'am, yeah, every year I make homemade hair oil.
Yes,
So yeah,
in
I
hair oil
use
we can also use these leaves.
yeah. So that is why yeah, every year yeah, I use neem leaves.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any question? Then you can ask to me.
Right now, ma'am, I don't have any question. But yeah, like what is the like effective for our get fluency?
Yes. Effective way we should every day we should do conversation, and mostly I prefer video conversation. But if you don't have plenty of time, that time you can do audio conversation.
Yes, yes. Yeah, ma'am, that is why yeah, I do everyday practice on audio call. Yeah, I have one WhatsApp
Hmm.
group, so yeah, I do everyday practice there. But yeah, like sometimes it happens with me. I am not able to talk with other people on video call daily basis. Yeah, but I
Hmm.
try every day.
But on daily basis I am using this technique, video conversation,
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
because when we
I
are
know.
talking by the video mode, then we can see their gesture, their hand movement, so many things we can
Yes, yes,
watch.
yes. Yeah, that is why, ma'am, yeah, I did many conversation with YouTubers when I started
Hmm.
my journey.
Yes, if we are doing continuously video conversation, and if we are preparing, some interview, that time it is really helpful for us.
Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah, because
Yes,
you engage with eye contact, lip movement, body language, so it's very good for us to connect with
yes.
others on video call. Yeah.
Because audio conversation every person can do. But video conversation, I have observed, like some person have some, eye contact problem.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
So in this way, I can say it is more useful than the audio call.
Yes, yes, sure. And how long have you been learning English?
Um, Actually, we all Indians are aware of this language from our childhood.
Yes, yes, yeah. From childhood, but when you
It's not a
started,
unique language. Yes,
yeah,
yes, I'm just telling you, it's not a unique language for Indians. But yes, that time there is no environment, English environment. Our teachers also speak in Hindi.
mm,
They explain in Hindi. So now I'm getting this opportunity, internet facility, and these kind of apps also useful. So that time I just thinking, okay, I should utilize this time.
mm,
And one day I was watching a video of a famous YouTuber.
yes, yes.
That time I feel okay, I should start my channel, and 9 months ago I have started my channel.
Okay, 9 months ago. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
and it's going good, and I'm happy to see my
Yeah.
progress.
Yeah, and if you learn like different language, so it will be beneficial for us.
Hmm.
Yeah, whenever you go
Hmm.
outside, so yeah, it's need first need to
Yes,
have a knowledge of English.
and after marriage, it is a common problem. We don't have extra time for learning. So I
Yes,
think speaking and listening is more useful than writing and reading.
reading. Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am. Because yeah, I have like I also do every day listening and speaking.
Hmm.
Yeah, because
And
reading is like tough for us to get time.
yes, but then you should do four steps like reading, listening, speaking. All
Yes,
these are very necessary for improving your skills.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, I have also heard from many YouTubers as well as good tutor. Like, yeah, if you want to improve your communication skills, so you should try to read books.
Hmm.
You can
Yes,
like, yeah, it's process like it takes time, but
yes.
gradually you
After
will.
a long time, like after leaving my college, I'm again starting. It will take time.
Yes, yes, yeah, sure. Because yeah, and learning new skill is not a cup of tea for
Hmm.
everyone. Like
Yes.
it will take time to
And
learn
as
every
a homemaker, there are so many responsibilities.
responsibility. Yeah, and I have
So
also
every homemaker can understand what are the responsibilities.
yes, 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 yes. Yeah, and responsibility as well. And yeah, whenever we get like whenever immediately spontaneously, like we make some plans to go outside, and we have a lots of responsibility. Like I live in joint family, I live with my mother-in-law, father-in-law. So
Hmm.
yeah, so every day we try to manage all the things apart from that.
Okay.